it's about getting it, guys. I want to share this with you before I get amped up here. But I was thinking of the best way to put it in words. And I don't know if everybody really understands what they have their hands on. So let me ask all of you this question this morning. How would you feel if you went out and bought a lottery ticket, and then you got mad and threw that lottery ticket away, and then the numbers come up and you hit $20 billion? How would you feel? Because you threw away that ticket. Guys, that's where all of you are sitting in this company. Whether you get spillover this week, next month, next year, it doesn't matter. It's going to happen, okay? You have to give it time because it has a lot of variables in it. But I can do basic math. And I know if we're sitting under right at 20,000 members, okay? And I know we will probably hit about 1 million members this year. That's a lot of people that have to fall under a lot of people that were the pioneers of this company. Whether you get it or not, it's going to happen. So that lottery ticket is your $9.95 a month. Whatever you do, make sure you pay that. I would recommend if you're just going to sit here and wait on spill, pay the $99.95, be done with it, and just sit back and let this thing happen, okay? Now, that's the one side of the equation I'm talking to. Now you guys that really want to make some serious income, the big money. Ben mentioned some stuff there. He's calling people's checks, guys. You got to go bill this thing. Once you understand the matching money, I'll give a little bit of my check yesterday. My matrix check, from December, the people that renewed in January, my matrix check, get excited, was $300. That's exciting for a lot of people. Nothing wrong with that. Ben personally, he loves those people. Not our gloves on those people, okay? Yes. But my matching, $1,400. Come on now. Just by me sharing the opportunity and following the game plan, help to repeat that process. People call me all the time. I don't know how in God's ever it happened. For some reason, I'm in the back office now, and everybody's upline is Tim, okay? Because of my rank. I'm getting emails from places. I don't speak a lot of languages. I only speak one. It's called English. I'm getting emails from Russia. Now, you haven't seen a language until you try to read Russian, right? But it's only 99% of the questions I get, and I'm not customer service, is what lead system am I using? What marketing am I doing? What am I doing? I don't have any leads. I don't have a marketing system, guys. I'm on Facebook. Why don't you? Facebook is free, 1 billion people now. Marketing systems, they're great. I have some of the best top system people in the industry, okay? You see Ed Key back there. Well, you got Pretty Fly. I can't say a name, but that's what they do. It's nothing wrong with it. But when you understand how this works, why would you want to bring in a lead person first and not people you personally know and talk to? Now, what do you think? Why? You want them as high up in your matrix and bless them before you start blessing people you don't know. Amen. You want to bless somebody? Amen. Hear the opportunity. Tell you another tricky thing here. The less you say, the more you make. See, some of the questions you're asking me, and you're saying people are asking me, see, I know how to decode what you're really saying. See, at first we didn't have a store. It was what would become. Now it's done. People are making money. Man, I got so excited yesterday. Now, I'm going to wrap this up. I promise you I go. I got a message from a guy yesterday. One of his reps has been in this thing since the beginning. Has done absolutely nothing. I mean, literally, nothing. No interest in the business. But she trusted him and joined, right? Her check yesterday was over $200 freaking dollars. Now, some of you network marketers, that's no money. Let me tell you guys something. $200 to somebody per month, month after month, in residual income can change somebody's life. Amen. Start caring and loving on that person. Not these knuckleheads that want to make $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month overnight. No. Not these people that jump on these deals that make 18% interest per week and all this. See, that's what's killing this industry. That's why I wanted to throw in the towel. I was sick of it, disgusted with this industry. All right? But when you start thinking about that person, how can I help this person get healthy? How without ripping them off? You know, I had a guy yesterday, I'm always telling a story. This is the serious stuff. That looked at our pay plan and said, I don't see the money in it. I want to make residual. And I'm like, dude, so you'd rather go out there and tell somebody $100 a month on a weight loss pill just so you can make money? What about your people? Number one, the pill don't work. And number two, is that all you care about? Here's what's going to happen. When no fast starts running out, the organization starts tanking, you're going to be in a new deal. And you're going to say that's the best weight loss product. And you're going to take the old before and after pictures y'all been using for 20 years and showing them same pictures over and over. See, I already know what's going to happen. See, you got to let that pride, you got to let that ego go. Rank up the bank up, baby. And then what's going to happen after we get these believers in here now? Here's what's going to happen. Here's what's going to happen. That's when all the big boys are going to come. All the fakers out there are going to come. You know why? You know why? Because we're going to hit something called critical mass. That's where you're going to see us putting in 10,000 people a day worldwide. And you were there at the top with less than 20,000 people. Folks, it's going to happen. But what if you go out here and build it? You got to get excited. You got to get fired up. You got to get plugged in. You can't make any excuse. Because I'm going to go back to Ben. I'm going to turn it back to you. Ben said something on the call. I know Daughter understands this. Ben doesn't like to show weakness. And he thinks like I do. My thing is, if I can get on a call, and that man just said it's over 1,400 bronzes. How on God's earth can I not become a bronze? How in the world can they do it? They put on their pants just like I do. How in the world can they go to bronze? They got two. That tick to be a bronze. Two. Now the preachers two. How can they do it? You can't do it. So don't tell me what you can't do. Don't tell me, Tim, I'm talking to people. See, that's your problem right there. You're talking too much. You just talking to people and watch that video. See, you're trying to do it your way. You can be rich or you can be right. Because when we hit critical mass, folks, I'm telling you, we're going to blow this industry inside out. They aren't going to know what hit them. Because you're going to have something they don't have, and that's called a bank account. That's full. I promise you. In the next year, everybody watching me right now, your pockets are going to be full. Full of remorse. Full of money. The choice is yours. Back to you, Ben.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Tim Miller. I got a lot of stuff that I want to comment on that, but I'm going to save a lot of it for our State of the Company call next week. I know I saw Daughter